What's up, guys? My name is Harold. Today I'm going to be working on the 2004 Nissan Sentra. The issue we're having is when you get on the highway with the car, once it warms up, it no longer shifts past second gear. So I found out that the issue can be caused by an output shaft speed sensor. So that's what I got today. I'm going to try to put it on to see if that solves the problem. Also pulled the code that gave me that brought me to the same conclusion. So hopefully this fix it. See my hand, but this is the sensor right here. Right here. Right, that's the bolt. This is the sensor. This bolt here for the line itself, bolt here for the sensor. Okay, it's one 10mm out. I got one more holding the wire in for some reason. And here we go. Oh man, my swivel's in the way. Just a little bit too long. Let me just do it the old-fashioned way. Millimeter of a turn at a time. There we go. Oh, it's a retaining clip. Okay. That's cute. Let's get the sensor itself out. Of course, it's wedged in there. You know, a job can never go too easy. You gotta earn it. Got to fight. Huh? I want to make sure I got the right one before I break it. Trying to get it out. Sometimes we order parts online and I think it's the right one. Get it lined up and something ain't right. Whew. Oh, you coming out of here. I ain't come all this way so you can stay in here. how you know it's the. Let's go fix the one here. Go wedge. Got it. Got it. Pivot it down. Get it free. All right. Up. I forgot. Get hose transmission fluid back. All right. Now that we got the top situated, okay, just gonna pop in. Slip this one out real quick. And this one in real quick. All right. Yeah. Perfect. Dead center. Okay. Now with the old and with the new. Let's see if I can get the bottom notched in. Just gonna make sure it's centered. Okay, that's pretty much notched in. Just tighten it down. Profile. Perfect. Too easy. Alright, that should do it. This is full. Old is out. This is the problem. Going in with the new. Get it lined up and untwisted. Still gotta get this retaining clip back on. The thing about this is it's pretty much foolproof. It's only one way it can go on because there's a tab on the bottom. So I'll just make sure. It's pushed in here. There we go. Never mind. Thought we had it. Clearly we didn't. Let's try left hand smile. Alright. Got it started. Just This is just to keep the line from tingling around the CV axle. It doesn't gotta be super duper tight. Just gonna snug it down and give it a couple turns. Yeah, I would just assume find a zip tie spot for this. Oh, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Just gonna snug that down. While I was up top, I noticed, well, last time I was here, I noticed the upper radiator holes were swollen, so I grabbed one. I'm gonna put that on after this. Okay, tight. Alright, now to clip the new one in. And I don't know if you can see this, but this is the new plug. It's hooking into same color. It's the same color. The plug is made the way you can't really mess it up. It only goes in one way. So I'll roll this over. Just push it in. Now she's crimped. She's clicked. It just clicked, and usually there'd be something to hold this. I'm just gonna get a zip tie. All right, so the clip, the retaining clip that holds the base of this sensor, the plug, the base of the plug for this sensor in, I had to twist it pretty hard to get it off, and I don't feel like straightening it back out. So I'm just gonna use a zip tie to keep it from vibrating and rubbing up against stuff as the car is riding. Yeah, can't go wrong with a zip tie. All right, let's get this done. All right, so I got my zip tie on. You see that? It's rigged in there. Yeah, this is the part I was talking about. There was a metal piece that slides in, but it was made of aluminum, so it twisted up pretty good. It's not worth the time to straighten it out. I'm just gonna zip tie it. It'll be fine. Okay. While I was up top, I noticed this hose was pretty swollen. It looked like it was ready to burst. I don't know if this comes like this or if someone saw this before and figured they saved it a few bucks. All right, replacement hose. Pretty straightforward here. Maybe not. Yep, that's perfect. I'm just gonna get the old holes off. Off with the old and on with the new. Got a catch pan underneath already. Not expecting a whole lot of coolant to come pouring out. Oh, there, couple cups. This one's so swollen. It's kind of seized on. Sometimes they do that. You just gotta find a way to get under there and kind of wiggle in there and kind of break it free. There you go. Twisting a little. It's like once you break it free on one spot, it's easier to get the next one. Just kind of break it free all the way around. It's been off for a while, so it's factory, just look at glass. Alright, that's locked out. I'm gonna have to go to the AutoZone or Rallies or whatever's nearby, get some more coolant and some ATV fluid. I'll pull that sensor out. About, I say about 2 cups, maybe not 2 cups, a cup and a half of fluid. But just kind of catch it in something you can measure with. That way you'll know exactly how much to put back when you put the new fluid in. This snuggies over the lip. This, when you're putting these clamps on, you just want to make sure they're past the lip of, like this radiator has a lip on it. The spout that comes out. That's what seal makes an airtight seal. Same thing on this one. There's a lip. So we're just gonna tighten this down. And didn't lose a whole lot of coolant. The reservoir might cover what was lost, but just in case. Alright, got a little coolant. Put a little bit I lost. Probably just gonna add water to that. Got this no spill filling funnel. It's handy when you worry about getting air in the system. Making sure they don't have no air in here. And then all the bubbles come out. Alright, that's it. I just gotta run to the store, get some more transmission fluid, fill it back up, and that's it. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back home now. Ended up driving the car around for about 40 minutes and couldn't replicate the issue anymore. So I'm gonna call that a fix. Hey man, thanks for sticking it out and watching this video all the way through. I really hope and pray that this helped you out. Maybe got you out of a tight spot. Maybe gave you a clue to what might be causing your issue with your Nissan Sentra. Until next time, man, stay blessed.